My hair is wet, and for further wetness on the front bits. Oh yeah. Your setting spray could never. I'm gonna just split my hair. I already have a middle part just because that's how I section my hair anyway. And I will start on my left. Just do a little, try and make her somewhat straight, which is honestly, I can't even draw a straight line with a ruler, so I make no promises of perfection. We're just all doing the best that we can. Okay. For the first time in my house and yours, using the Revlon Professional Equave Instant Detangling Conditioner for normal and dry hair. So it's to shake well and apply it to dry or damp hair. Just because I'm almost out of the other stuff I usually use, so I don't want to get halfway through my hair and, you know, not be ready to go. And I got it from my salon, from my hairstylist. So we hope for the best. I don't know if I just put too much on there, but it's fine. Then I'm gonna cut with my finger just a tiny little sliver, and then we're gonna split it in the center. And because I want this to fall forward, because it is the first piece, I want it to frame my face and not stick back. We're going to twist. Oh yeah, we're doing a flat twist out. You would have figured it out. We're gonna twist from the back to the front, grab some hair, back to front, grab some hair, try and keep it snug. Use the second product with curling jelly. But yeah, it's not like I'm going anywhere. So it's a little rough, a little frizzy. We will be okay. That's her. That's it. I don't know how I want to do the back. My neck already hurts. just gonna take it. Just, you know, for some added love, you know? Can never be too moist. My fingers.